Summertime is raspberry time, and it's time to make raspberry syrup and get us some Clover Clubs. Raspberry syrup is relatively easy. I just had these raspberries I just picked, about 200 grams it turns out. Put them on the stove and add some sugar. Now, you don't have to add a ton of sugar because the raspberries themselves are sweet. So I did, this scoop is a 1/4 cup, so I did, I guess about 3/8 of a cup, something like that. It's not super precise. If you like a sweeter syrup, put in more. If you like it tart, you can add less, or even add some lemon juice if you want. Now, I just have this on sort of a medium-low heat. You don't need to boil it or blast it at all. These raspberries are gonna release all of their juice and dissolve all the sugar, but you will want to encourage them a bit with a little stirring. And once they've all dissolved, you're pretty much good to go. You will just want to keep stirring until all of the sort of meat of the raspberries kind of dissolves into liquid. You're gonna want to try and get as much raspberry as possible. You just got to strain it out. I use this steeping bag, but you can use cheesecloth or whatever you've got. But make sure and strain it real good, because there are a ton of little seeds in here and you don't really want those in your drink. You do have to coax it through the strainer a little bit, but you know, that's okay. Bottle her up. I like to put it into like a squeeze bottle, just for easy dispensing, I guess. Squeeze it out into your jigger. All right, that's it. Let's make some Clover Clubs. Clover Club is a gin drink. I do put dry vermouth in mine. I read somewhere that that was a good idea, and I agree, it is a good idea. It's a lemon juice, making it sour, and it has raspberry simple syrup, which is delicious. Egg whites will keep this nice and fluffy. About a 1/2 ounce will do, but if you're only making one, you can just put the whole egg white in, and that would be fine. You dry shake with no ice to keep those egg whites nice and fluffy and beautiful. And then you put the ice in and shake it up. And there you have a beautiful, foamy, raspberry Clover Club. One of the best drinks ever. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Pete. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll be more than happy to respond. See you next time.